another episode
of Life Designer.
So guys, we just want to fill the diesel here, so we came on here on the way. So we are filling full tank. Yeah guys, oh my god.
Okay, we need to check zeros, guys, before the
It's done.
filling happens.
Yeah.
Shit, it happened. Oh my god.
It's done.
It's okay.
Guys, EO is here. We are the charging EO.
First cut stop.
Anna, first cut stop.
First cut stop.
Bill.
Okay, guys.
Card.
It's almost 4,211 rupees
Yeah.
for full tank. And Fortuner have low mileage, which is 9.
Yeah,
So we
per
have to
litre, so-
refill
Low
the,
mileage.
petrol, diesel as soon as possible, very often.
Very
So
often.
that is there.
I'm feeling so tired guys, but we have a long way to go and super excited.
Yeah, like we are having a lot of fun, unexpected events and all. So let's see how the rest journey goes. Really excited.
I think a lot of planned things,
Yeah.
but nothing's really working as
Yeah.
planned, and now it's like a lot of unplanned things. And
Yeah.
it's fun. It's more fun.
It's more and more fun.
Night it started raining guys. I can't see anything. I don't know if you guys can see it. Wow, in front guys, see. Wow.
Finally, I can believe in the cyclone now. At least, at least our raincoats are
Worthy. Beautiful guys. It's just started raining and it's going to be heavily raining the whole night.
Oh my god.
This is so amazing. We are going through a lot of things guys.
Oh my god, I never imagined. Morning it was so shining. Where is the torch? Yeah. It was so shining in the morning and we are like, what about our gumboots and raincoats? And then now it started raining actually.
I think Ian
Yeah.
was the one who wanted us the most.
Yeah, yo, how was
I
it?
actually predicted like morning if it's this much sunny, even night it will be very rain.
Yeah.
I got my
you
prediction.
did.
I told to Zoe and she didn't believe it. She's saying which area have this
much
kind of climate. Oh my god.
All
I'm
the
so
morning
excited. But I'm
sun-
happy guys.
Everything evaporation gonna come down to earth and it's gonna convert to rain guys.
Wow.
Time
but
to-
we don't want
That's
a science.
Yeah, what about lit? What do you say about this thing?
Let's
finally-
enjoy the weather.
I just want this to be like this, not increase the rain and create issues in
Guys, that is really great. That's really dangerous. If you have on the way, floods or cyclones or any other things, then again we'll have to cancel our trip. But we do not want that to happen. So, guys, we'll.
I think now
we
it's too
hope-
late. We're just unstoppable. I think we just gonna go whatever it is.
We don't want heavy rains nor heavy summer. We want moderate climate for our journey to go peacefully like this.
But I think monsoon is the best,
Best
time to
season
visit all these
for traveling.
places.
So depends on the rain, and we'll be stopping somewhere for sleeping or something, and we'll be also airing
Wow.
today's episode. So yeah,
We can collect
why am I promising? Sorry.
a campfire in this what?
Cold weather.
In the rain, no.
No. Build a tent during rain, sleep in the tent, build your own campfire, sit near it, enjoy for some time, and have some.
won't work in rain.
Yeah, it will. When you have some shelter, it will.
Okay.
You should build the shelter also.
Guys, I think we'll have to see. I think we'll have to figure out how that is gonna work.
Imagining that is a good thing. I don't know what's about the reality.
We'll see how it will go.
It looks like Drix is sleep talking. Are you sleep talking, Drix? No.
They just slept and woke up for the vlog, guys. So just too much saying something.
Okay, guys, long way to go. The thing it is even reflecting on the reflection.
So where did we reach? We reached service road ahead. This is Sunnam.
Where is it?
Sunnambatti.
Sunamati.
Yeah, Sunnambatti.
Okay.
Sunnambatti.
Sunnambatti, guys, and a long way we have to go.
Yeah.
Long. And also, if we are feeling tired, we need to stop somewhere. But it's raining now, so I don't know how the situation. If we are stopping somewhere,
I'm remembering of the last rain that we played there.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god. Like we had great fun last time when it rained, and actually we did a lot of preparations for a heavy rain floods during the travel. And then this small drizzles are like what? We are like okay, this is fine. This is fine. This is not as dangerous as expected. Little bit.
Just keep talking.
Okay, midnight time, so we are still traveling and it's raining right now. It's like fluctuating, raining heavily and then going back and all that stuff.
You should have hot pakoda.
Oh, we'll give you hot pakoda now.
Hot pakoda.
Where are the street
Bro, we
stalls?
can actually stop somewhere to have
Okay.
this pakoda.
Great.
Where do we get pakoda? Not here. Guntur?
Yeah.
Midnight for sure.
And not on the highway, might be once we go into the city or any town, we might find it.
Guys, I think at this rate, next trip onwards, we're going to carry our own stuff.
Okay guys, so we have parked the car and Shri is having coffee here. So after coffee, let's see how much we can go and then we'll, find a place and then we'll haul there. Okay guys, everyone is inside guys. Everyone is sleepy. Is that Rish? Finally stretching.
Come out.
Where is it? Fix it. Who else is there? More people there?
It is.
Wow, little full energy. Guys, coffee we have.
Tea, sir. There is only
Only tea. Guys, no coffee, only tea. Wow, somebody's happy.
Yesterday I was waiting for morning or something. Class at 3.
Okay. Guys, small tea. Nice. See? Let me taste it. How's it? How's it, bro?
I didn't drink, it's too hot. If Eo says it's hot.
Oh, what? You saying it's hot?
Yes, actually I can control. I mean, I can have hot tea, but today it's little too much.
Guys, we can have hot tea, come on.
What a first tea. Finally, Eo's goal succeeded. She got her first cup of tea during travel.
Everyone is sleepy, man.
It's night. It's supposed to be sleepy time. It's not a mistake. Biscuit.
Can you?
Yeah.
Hi.
after 10 minutes.
Come on, rip it open.
Morning hotel start chestara.
It's hot.
Oh, Lord.
It's so good.
Come on, where is it? Guys, this is the best emotion. Tea and biscuit.
That is so soft.
Full I'll show you guys. She have a very small kitchen here. Oh, high five. You're just like rejecting my high five. You want the GoPro, not the.
You like the cam?
Ah, like.
Something is there, but he's not seeing the biscuit. Yeah.
Oh, guys, he finally had the biscuit. Come on, he's a fearful person. Cute man. See, she have a very small setup here.
And have, I think, the breakfast.
Yeah, the
setup
breakfast.
also. In morning,
Eggs, and she's having the,
idli patram here.
dosa batter for tomorrow. The tea and the idli for tomorrow.
And these are for punugulu. Those will be really
Punugulu.
tasty, guys. These I asked are these homemade pickles.
Uh-huh.
She said these are from Rajahmundry, it seems.
Rajahmundry is near Vishakhapatnam.
Rajahmundry is on the
From
way.
there.
We'll cross
Ah.
Rajahmundry and then we'll go to
We
Vizag.
have types chakodilu. One of my favorites.
I haven't had this. Can we have it?
What is that called? ఇది ఒక
Chakodi.
roadside tiffin center.
Chakodi.
Is it sweet?
Sweet?
No.
Drinks favorite.
Guys, chakodi.
Okay, this is so crispy. Vizag
Because these used to be really cheap. For 1 rupee, you used to get 2-3 while you are that age.
Corona time.
Chakodi.
College.
Nostalgia, guys.
So how many teas you had?
One.
Just one. Shit, you should have had like 3-4 teas.
I don't know, like all of them had 2 teas.
Uh-huh.
After coming here only, I know that everyone had 2 teas.
Oh my god.
I will get it. She came out
Again
late.
disappointed.
Yeah.
She came out late. Morning we'll get tea. As Drix told, morning we'll get tea. here.
Morning obviously we'll get lot of tea.
Hopefully.
Okay. So everyone is out of sleep and energetic again.
Kind of.
Am I correct?
I burnt my tongue
Yeah.
by a hand. But guys, we are
Absolutely.
going to stop somewhere safe and we're going to, put our tent, set up our tent and we're going to sleep.
And even there is no traffic during night time.
Yeah.
Guys. Everyone will be sleeping. Only people like us will be traveling. Actually, brilliant people study during night times.
Oh, yeah, see?
Yeah, it was. I don't know, but people say like when everyone sleeps, all those wise people wake up and they
They read.
Like, yeah, something like that. I'm not sure.
Are you reading?
No. I'm about to sleep.
under the street light.
Yeah, I'm about to sleep.
We'll sleep under the street light. How's the editing going, bro?
Editing was good. Now I understood like how we can do it more quick. So now we can quickly upload all the episodes
Mm-hmm.
and we can make it more quick, more faster. Yeah, a lot of interesting things are on the way.
Wow, guys. Night drive.
If we can read which place is this.
This is the Guntur highway, right?
Plaza right now.
Hi, I love this toll plaza. It's having 2 lanes. See?
Yeah. We have a bridge on
I think
top.
they stay on top of this. The workers.
No, it's just a bridge, I guess. And these names are completely new for me. Like Kollapalli and all. I haven't heard them.
You haven't heard.
This is the way which we generally won't travel. We'll be only traveling from Tuni to Vizag and Kakinada that side.
Uh-huh.
So Karnataka to Andhra Pradesh on road. This is the first time. The second time.
Okay.
Once it was before, and yeah. So it's completely new for me. All these places, all these names and all. I'm not familiar with them. It's really fun, really nice.
Guys, look at these trucks coming together. Really? Wow. What is on top of that? You guys didn't check.
No, I didn't see.
Okay. Okay, guys. Drix was planning for campfire near the tent. So Drix was saying
Campfire near the petrol bunk. Like she want to blast the whole petrol bunk or what?
it will be your last campfire.
Yeah. And by the time we prepare the campfire, it will be morning. There is no point in sleeping.
The petrol pump will be like, boom, a campfire.
Seriously.
Definitely be a viral video.
And next time we'll be on news, more viral than this YouTube
Come on.
channel. National viral.
My lord, guys, don't do such things, okay? Okay, guys, so we are in this petrol pump and we are going to put up the tent.
Yeah, so we just spoke to him.
Uh-huh.
He gave us permission and he told backside would be better because vehicles will be coming here and
Okay.
there. So
So, guys,
he asked
our
us.
car is here.
Yeah, it's a good spot.
Yeah, it's a really good spot. Tent.
stand is here. It's so small, but it's actually big.
Very big. Okay, guys, let's go. Come on.
Yeah. Open the tent.
Actually, 4 people can.
4 people can actually fit into this tent
Yes.
easily. 4 people in the car. Okay guys, the tent is set, so we changed the position of the tent. So we kept it here facing this area and the car is here, so we'll be able to check them right here, and also they'll get their privacy, and it's not in the center of the, you know, if there is any vehicles coming, they can park over there. How is it, bro? How's inside? You want to take the GoPro inside?
Let's show it to them.
Yeah, how's it?
I'll have anything. See, I'll do the torch. Hold.
Okay.
Okay, this is the top portion of our tent.
Remove it here.
Okay, guys, here we cancelled 4 people. Now we are only 3.
3.
Drix,
guy
Zoe,
the guy
and
also here.
Yes, and Io.
he just called us. Hello. And he was like, there is space inside if you want to sleep inside.
Oh,
nice.
Yeah, that's so sweet.
They are like just flat there, people. So there is one Kali space. So he was like, if you want.
okay, that's nice.
Use this room and all he's saying.
Okay, I think we can use it in the morning for changing. And
Maybe,
Yeah.
I think it's an open room. It's
an open room, I
guess. If
Okay.
we have tent, it doesn't have we can tent it there. Like
Okay,
that is
nice.
it.
Actually, like how you guys sleep in there, like really cool.
This looks so good, man. Like, with the
Yeah.
light and all.
See, you guys got a really nice view.
Nice. Sky view.
I love it, guys.
Oh my god.
You guys can switch off the light.
Yes, good night, guys.
Good night.
Should we close this? No. Never. We'll be suffocated.
Okay, guys, so we're going back to the car. We're
And
also
right.
super sleepy.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Bye, guys. Anything, call. Okay? Anything you call. We are just there.
Cool.
Nowhere far. Okay.
We can see you.
Okay, I'm taking Ego's chapel also.
Thanks, bro. Good night.
Good night. Good night. Okay.
There is space inside.
Okay, back 1 person, middle 2 people, in the front 2, right? We'll fit.